Hi, I'm Summer Emily Caluyong from Grade 3 Marcos. Today I'm going to show you examples of degrees of adjectives. Oops! Before that, let's have some quick fun facts. Adjectives are words that describe a noun or pronoun. It gives information about the size, shape, age, color, or material. There are 3 degrees of comparison in adjectives: the positive degree, the comparative degree, and the superlative degree. The positive degree describes one person, place, or thing without any comparison. And the comparative degree describes two person, place, or thing. And the superlative degree describes 3 or more person, places, or things. Now let's proceed with the examples. My AP notebook is thick. My math notebook is thicker than my AP notebook. And my science notebook is the thickest among the 3. The red notebook is small. The yellow notebook is smaller than the red notebook. The memo pad is the smallest among the 3. The unicorn pen is cute. The bunny pen is cuter than the unicorn pen. The cat pen is the cutest among the purple pens. The crackers are delicious. The cookies are more delicious than the crackers. The chocolate cake bar is the most delicious among the 3 snacks. The serum bottle is tall. The insect repellent is taller than the serum. The soothing mist is the tallest among the 3 bottles. The mocha milk is sweet. The lemon tea is sweeter than the mocha milk. The peach tea is the sweetest among the 3 drinks. The frozen storybooks are good to read. The Treetop storybooks are better to read than the frozen storybooks. The fairy books are the best among the 3 books. The highlighter is colorful. The markers are more colorful than the highlighter. The neon pen are the most colorful among the 3. This orange egg is big. This pink egg is bigger than the orange egg. This purple egg is the biggest among the 3. RJ is adorable. Tata is more adorable than RJ. The cat is the most adorable among the 3 plushies. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!